Hey there, I'm Shannon Milligan from RVA Home Team, powered by eXp Realty, and I want to welcome you home to 2319 Founders Bridge Road in the heart of Midlothian. It's where your journey begins. Now let's go take a look at your new home. Situated on over 600 acres of beautiful wooded land, you will find this wonderful community featuring abundant amenities such as swimming pools, playground, tennis courts, and nature trails. At the heart of the neighborhood is the spectacular Independence Golf Club, an 18-hole champion golf course complete with pro shop and a restaurant for those nights when brushing up your game is more fun than cooking. As you arrive, you will be impressed with the well-maintained exterior, charming front porch, and 3-car side entry garage. Inside, the foyer greets you with beautiful hardwood floors and a new chandelier. A lovely formal living room with crown molding is flanked on your left. To your right is the elegant dining room, complete with a bay window, shadow box detailing, and a gorgeous chandelier. At the heart of your new home is the stunning Light and Bright kitchen, featuring stainless steel appliances, new granite countertops, backsplash, large island, and an Eden look that overlooks the backyard. Open to the kitchen is the fantastic family room with a wall of windows and a gas fireplace as the focal point. A first-floor office is tucked neatly away at the back of the home, and it would make for a great playroom or bedroom. A full bath and a coveted mudroom with organizers complete the main level. Upstairs, the master bedroom is an oasis and boasts a wonderful sitting room as well as an ensuite bath with a dual-sink vanity, jetted tub, and separate shower. The loft provides the perfect place to kick back with a book, curl up for a movie, or compete with friends for game night. Bedroom 2 has a ceiling fan and hardwood floors. Bedroom 3 and 4 also have hardwood floors and share a Jack and Jill bathroom. Another full hall bath with a dual sink vanity and tile flooring complete the second floor. The finished third level is a bonus and would be a fantastic workout room, home theater, or even another bedroom. Dealer's choice. Outside, master those grilling skills on your deck that overlooks your large, fenced-in backyard. Watch out, your new home is coming at you quickly. Contact RVA Home Team, powered by eXp Realty, for your private showing.